should be greater or equal to 0, but less or equal to 180. That's our range, right? Meaning if we are done finding for tan, we should find it in the range of greater than 0, greater or equal to 180. Okay, so now we know about that. We are going to find tan, say tan theta is equal to 0.7. All right, that's the one we say 1 over tan on both sides. So we have theta is equal to tan inverse. Tan is tan inverse, so we say 0.7. Now our theta is our theta is, now we go on our calculator. All right, so we are going to get shift tan, all right, of, I normally put in brackets. Yeah, I normally put in brackets. I love 34.9920202. All right, so our theta is 34.9920202. We just say 35 degrees. All right, it's round off to the nearest, so it just degrees. So now look at this. Let's look at, we have been given a range. Okay, so you look for quadrants where your tan is positive. Look for quadrants where your tan is positive, because now in the first quadrant, all the trigonometric ratios, including sine, cosine, which is a tan, are all positive. All right, then in the second, sine is the one which is positive. Then in the third, tan is the one that is positive. Then our sine is positive. And all are positive. In the second, sine is positive. In the third, tan is positive. And in our fourth, cos is positive. So now we have been given this range, all right? We have been given each quadrant, okay? So if we find numbers, perhaps we say our tan should be 0 to 90 degrees. So when you look at 35 is in this quadrant, because from 0 to 90 degrees, you find the 35 in there. From 0 to 90 degrees, 35 found. Okay, is found in that range. So from 90 to this point, it is 180 degrees. That makes it a straight line. Then from 180 is it? Yeah, 180 to that is 270. So if you look at this, in this quadrant where it's another positive, you find that it is 80 and 270. Okay, 80 and 270. So tan that we have, according to the range that we have been given, it's not in here as our answer. Our answer is not found here, but it is found in the first quadrant. So that proves this to be correct answer. That proves to be a correct answer. But in a case where if they say maybe it's greater than 360, then we can even include this, because now we can just subtract from 360 minus 35, whatever we find, it is in that quadrant. Okay? So it's not applicable in this quadrant according to the range that we are given. So our answer is 35. Okay.